In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Slide Master background in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation from scratch or spicing up an existing one, mastering the Slide Master will help you maintain consistent and professional-looking slides throughout your deck. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once open, you have a couple of options. You can either open an existing PowerPoint presentation or begin afresh with a new one. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to add in your photos, tables, and any other content you might need. This content won't affect the Slide Master editing process itself, but it's helpful to have context, so you know how your changes affect your entire presentation. Now that you're inside your presentation, turn your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see the various tabs like File, Edit, and so on. You'll want to click on the View tab. Once there, look for and select Slide Master. This powerful tool is where the magic happens. On the left side of the screen, you'll now see a thumbnail pane showcasing several slides. The topmost slide, which is the largest, is your main Slide Master. This is crucial because any changes made to this slide will cascade down and apply to every layout below it within the deck. So go ahead and click on that top slide. With the Slide Master selected, it's time to personalize it. Right-click on the background area of the master slide itself. You'll see an option labeled Format Background. Click it, and a pane will open on the right. Here, you'll be able to customize the background with several fill options. Under Fill, you can opt for different styles. If you like clean and straightforward visuals, select Solid Fill and choose a single cohesive color. However, if you're looking for something more dynamic, consider the Gradient Fill. Here, you can select a preset gradient or play around by customizing the colors and gradient stops to find a perfect fit for your theme. Suppose you're in a creative mood, or your presentation topic lends itself to more visual interest. In that case, choose the Pattern Fill option to select a pattern and determine the foreground and background colors. Alternatively, the Picture or Texture Fill can add personal touches by inserting an image. You can source images from your computer, explore online options, or use provided stock images. Once selected, you can tweak the image's transparency and various settings to ensure it aligns perfectly with your theme. Feel free to explore further customization options within the Format Background pane, adjusting transparency, color, and other graphics to fine-tune your presentation's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with your changes, exit the Slide Master view by clicking Close Master View located on the Slide Master tab. It's as simple as that. Your modifications will now apply uniformly across the entire presentation, giving it a professional and cohesive look. That's it. You've now successfully edited your Slide Master background in PowerPoint. Hope this helps elevate your presentations to the next level.